Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to fix a perm rod set. I think these are called perm rods, but when I do them, they don't always come out as great as I want them to. So I always have to go in with like a curling iron or a flat iron. So in this video, I'm basically going to be showing you how to amp up your curling rods. And sometimes it comes out good, sometimes it comes out bad. You never know until you wake up in the morning and find out the finished product. So if you want to know how I got this look, keep watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hey guys, so right here I'm just showing you all of the perm rods that are in my hair. I have about 10 in my hair, and these turned out pretty okay, but I just wanted to amp them up a little bit more. So right here, I'm showing you guys how I usually take my perm rods out. I kind of try to follow the pattern as best as possible to get my curls to look as less puffy as possible. These were good so far. I kind of like them. They were a little bigger than I usually do them. I usually use a little bit more perm rods, so that's why the curl is seen to be a little bit more loose. So right here, it shows me taking out the last 3. I usually wait to do the last 3 or 2 at the top because this is what is going to structure my face. And I was kind of hoping that it came out better than that, but I don't know what that is right there. So this is why I'm going to go in with my curling iron to show you guys how to fix it up. I'm also going to be using my flat iron. And yep, I'm just turning up while doing my hair. But the front looks really bad, and I just want to fix it up because it needs some help. I'm not going to walk outside the door like this. So I'm going to show you guys. Well, right now I'm showing you guys to take out the front section because this is what is the main thing that needs help. Ugh, brush out that back, baby, please. But I'm gonna also take from the sides because those could have been a lot better. So I'm gonna redo those also. Here's the little flat iron and curling iron that I'll be using. The curling iron is a Conair, and my flat iron is so old. I think it's a Revolution or whatever that is. But I'm going to be curling. So you guys notice how I put the curling wand down and I'm twirling away from my face. I want to make sure that I twirl away from my face because I want that kind of, I think it's called the Farrah Fawcett look, where it's like wind blown and tossed to the side, like that cute styly look. Right here, I'm gonna fix up this little piece because I just felt like it could be a little bit more curlier. And again, I'm going to be curling away from my face. Now that I was done with the front of my hair, I am just going around it in my hair looking for little pieces that needed to be touched up to make my hair to be more full and pretty and bouncy. I like to do little pieces at the top just to, keep the volume and, let it be known that I actually curled my hair. So I'm just taking little pieces around my head. All right, you guys, so to me, this is the most important part. I did this area over just to frame my face. The back is okay. I like how the back is loose. Curling rods were a complete fail. So I had to redo that. So I kind of did little pieces around as you saw. And you guys, so this little piece right here, this little piece is what's gonna make and break your hairstyle. This little piece, these little pieces up front are what's gonna be okay, that hairstyle is popping, or okay,
redo. Go back in the house and redo it.
Of the top section. I'm looking this way because my mirror is this way and I could see myself this way and you guys are right there. But not using this little piece. We're not gonna use that until we get to my real hair. So again, I'm gonna keep it closed and go back. And I usually like to hold it just so I could keep it spiral shaped for a little, like so it can keep it spiral shaped. So I hold it, let it cool off a little bit, and then just release it. This is the curl I got from the curling rod. With the curling rod, these are nice curls. It's just that I wish they were like that, like automatically, instead of me having to go in and redo it again. Okay guys, so for the front, this is what you want to do. You want to go ahead, I went and did this side off camera. Okay guys, so you want to go ahead and separate your, I have a middle part. So I went and separated my two pieces. I'm going to leave this over here and I'm going to work on this side. So this is where the flat iron comes into play. All the way, you got to go to the roots. You don't want any curly. You want it to be like seamless with the hair. Okay, so you want to go ahead and roll it backwards. Like that. You kind of want to give it like a little, not a bump, but as you're curling, you want to go ahead like in a curving motion. You want to curve. You want to curve your hand. You don't want to keep your hand straight, because if you kept your hand straight, this piece, it wouldn't blend so well like to like right here. It would have just been like straight. Okay, you guys, so the flash on my camera just won't let me be great. So I went and did the back off camera. Same thing, I curved my hand a little bit at an angle to get it to fall like that. So in the front of the hair, I'm basically gonna flat iron and use the curler. So I'm gonna flat iron this piece. You can flat iron it straight. I'm going to flat iron it straight. Then I'm gonna finally use my so I'm gonna use my clip this time. So I'm gonna use the clip to just twist it. I only did this for the front because the front is a little bit more important to me. And that's how you do it. So it can like lay like at a cute, you know what I'm saying? Like if I would have used this, it would have been a little bit too sharp for me. So I end up using this. So how I did that was, I'm gonna use the flat iron. The flat iron is basically just to get the root like of the, just to get the root so it's not like puffy or anything. So that's straight.
I'm doing a video. Yeah, you can say hi. Say hi to the video. Come here. Okay, well.
So that's just to get the root straight. Now I'm gonna go in with the curling, and you want to make sure, you see this little clip? This clip needs to be facing you because it's gonna curve this way. If you make it like, if you curve it, like if you go in like this, you're gonna be curving it into your face. So you want to make sure you're curling away from your face, because if you don't curl away from your face, it's gonna look weird.
I keep just filming you like that. So you wanna go in and
make sure it's bending like that. Then you want to twist as you're going, like not too much, but just enough that when you're done, it's gonna have that little bump that we were talking about at the end. So like that. So that's how you do it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is the finished product, and I'll catch you guys in my next video.